Let me draw this again. So I have the eye, the eyeball, the head, the letter R, the bottom of the body. Okay. Hang on. Sorry. Okay. Bottom of the body. Then this thing at the bottom, a flourish at the top of the head, another set of wings, a band around its neck, the beak, and we are almost done except for the legs. So for the legs, we are just going to make 2 V shapes. And we fill those V shapes in. And now I just go ahead and extend them out and then give 3 lines at the end. And that's it. That's your peacock. And a very sorry, not a peacock.
It's a parrot, right?
A parrot. My bad. Slip of tongue. Yeah, so that's a parrot. And the way you emphasize that this is a parrot, if you are keen on using color, then this is the perfect time to use a green color. That is it.